boomers, Gen X, Gen Y, millennials, Gen Z. Some of us believe that there is no definition around it, whereas some of us believe that there is a clear demarcation between these categories. The truth is that as we've evolved, each generation has experienced different stages of world development. There is value in how each has absorbed information, analyzed progress, and utilized the various products and innovations that have come through across these years. And each generation has its own point of view and it matters, right? So consider this. There is a fantastically successful organization with a very strong founding team. That founding team has people who have more than 25 years of experience and they've launched numerous successful products. But now the scenario is such that they've been told that there is a young new team which is going to launch the latest product. I can imagine the thoughts going through your minds. Possibly friction, some ego clashes, a feeling of being let down, and you're probably right. Probably not entirely so as well. What about a collaborative scenario? Yeah? This happened in our organization, Sarangapani Private Limited. I'm Rahul Banerjee, the Chief Operating Officer of Sarangapani Private Limited. And let's see what happens. Thank you.
Hello Prema, good morning, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Alam sir.
What do we have here, yeah? ग्लोब का लोगो तुम्हारा बैक में? अरे देख के बड़ा अच्छा लगा यार.
अच्छा लगना भी चाहिए. कुछ याद आया आपको?
क्या?
अरे आज का डेट क्या है?
29 अगस्त.
29 अगस्त 2024. अभी कुछ याद आया?
Oh God! हमारा ग्लोब का लॉन्च. वाओ! What a product ना. ये यंग जनरेशन कितना ब्यूटीफुली मार्केट किया है. 3 शिफ्ट प्रोडक्शन के बावजूद भी प्रोडक्शन रुकने का नाम भी नहीं ले रहा था.
हाँ, 1 साल के अंदर इतना कैश जनरेट किया. सब डीलर्स एडवांस में कैश देके प्रोडक्ट ले जाते हैं.
प्रेमा, तुम्हें जून 14 याद है?
हाँ बिल्कुल. मल्लिका, अभिनव और राहुल ने क्या झटका दिया था.
I know.
हम तो उनसे लड़ पड़े थे.
और हमारा गुस्सा भी कितना जल्दी पिघल गया ना. आप जानना चाहते क्यों?
और कैसे?
वेलकम टू सारंगापानी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड.
Hey Shalini, how are you?
Yeah, I'm very well. Yeah, it was
OTT देखा?
awesome. I was telling you about the travel. Remember?
Yeah.
अरे it was excellent. तो क्या अंदर उधर देख रही? मैं इतना बात कर रही हूँ.
ये देख, क्या है ये सब? अरे कुछ तो अलग लग रहा है. Yeah, absolutely.
पूरा ओरिएंटेशन ही चेंज हो गया यार. Where is
Yeah.
my seat?
Where am I sitting?
Oh, here.
I think I'm sitting here.
किसने
Hey, hi, Anji. Yeah, nice of you
I
to
think
call.
we need to check with them.
I'm sure the collaboration is going to be fantastic. Yeah. No, let me talk to my team and get back to you. Oh, I'll be talking to Mallika as well. Sure. Nice talking to you. Bye. Hey team. Why are you guys staring at me? सब ठीक है ना?
Rahul, you're not someone who will not inform us about something. You made so many changes and we're not aware of it, yeah?
We are a part of the recruitment committee too. I don't remember anyone having said anything about this.
Better not be sales, okay? I would like to be involved before anyone's taken on board.
I don't remember any approval for allocation for additional manpower either.
Oh, you mean these seats?
Yes.
Okay. Mallika will come. She will explain. She's going to come anytime soon. Oh, there's Mallika. Oh, there's Abhinav too. शायद कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है आज.
So good to see my team, huh? But I'm missing the smile on your faces. क्यों भाई सब कुछ ठीक है?
I come once in a while, and this is the reaction I get from my founding team. Yeah.
No. We are just surprised that you made so many changes and we're not aware of it, yeah?
ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ मल्लिका.
Yeah.
Mallika, I don't see this in the budget too.
टीम बढ़ रहा है, अच्छी बात है, पर ये तो बता देते कौन है?
इतने सारे सवाल. Abhinav, didn't I tell you earlier? We should have informed them. I don't like to see my team even a bit worried.
Don't worry. They'll be happy when you tell them what all this is about. And by the way, Rahul is aware.
Rahul?
Rahul, what is this?
Okay. So if you all remember, we were talking about our new product, Glow Up.
Of course. In fact, as a team, we have lined up everything for it and we are just waiting for your go ahead.
Yes, we have planned and everything is well within the stipulated budget.
बिल्कुल, we are geared up, हम तो कब से तैयार हैं।
Same here. बोलो कभी लॉन्च करना है?
Well. There's a twist here. Actually, Malika, you tell me.
It's a beautiful plan and I'm confident about full support.
Okay, so we are going to launch this new product. But looking at the nature of the product, we have a new team here.
Team?
Yes, we have a new team for the launch and all the necessary planning.
Wait, Malika, you know this quite well. We are a crack team. We have launched so many products in the past and they're all doing exceedingly well in the market.
Oh yes, phenomenally well, I must say.
All our products have won awards at some point or the other because of the different marketing techniques that we have adopted. Besides, Shalini and I, we have already done all the groundwork.
I'm aware, Kirti, I'm aware.
Over 25 years, it's our team that has handled all the launches. And pretty well, if I may add.
All the dealers and distributors swear by us. कितने खुश है सब लोग?
Oh yes, our dealer network, that's the backbone of our success.
Wait. Malika and I would not have built this company without your full support. We made our dream a reality. Here's one small experiment we are trying to do, so we want you to please cooperate.
See, I know what you all are thinking about right now. But let me tell you, each one of you will actually thank me in the end. Trust me, guys. Okay, now hear me out. I was a judge at a funding event for young entrepreneurs, and they're working on various, startups, some of which succeeded, some of which failed. But I just love their ideas and their thought process. In fact, Rahul, Abhinav and I, we have met them a couple of times. So we decided to give them this project, and we have also promised them the environment that they desire.
What environment may I ask? I know we discussed it, but I'm sure the team would love to know.
Okay, so they are all young, with new ideas, using social media, modern technology.
And a big budget.
Malika, let's do the honors.
Okay, so please help me welcome our new team.
Already?
Yes, so we have Shruti Sinha, we have Bhargav Rathod, and we have Arvind Jairam.
Shalini? Oh, wow, I'm so glad to meet you. I heard your speech in the sales conference held last month. What a speech, ma'am. You're the goat.
Goat?
Pardon? Goat? How can someone call you a goat?
Arey, no. He didn't mean that goat, not the animal goat. He meant the goat, the greatest of all time.
Oh.
That's how we say it. So sorry.
Yeah, that only. Rahul, sir. I stand, sir.
Now, what does that mean?
Meaning, I'm a very big fan. And Ketki ma'am, your presentation at the marketing summit at our college, IIM Bangalore, you just ate it, ma'am.
I did what?
अरे तुमने कुछ तो खाया
अरे
बोले
प्रेजेंटेशन कौन खाता है यार?
Arey, no. He meant you did such a good job.
Oh, that way. Thanks.
हमारा पूरा टाइम भी इनका लैंग्वेज समझने में जाने वाले हैं।
By the way, that is Mr. Alam Khan, the head of
Hi.
production and logistics. This is Ms. Prema Krishnan, the head of finance. The others you've already met.
Okay, so the new team has been asked to prepare a plan for our new product, and they have also been asked to come up with a budget. So, Shruti, would you like to share it with us?
Malika, इतनी जल्दी plan? कैसे?
Actually, that was part of the test given to them. They had to come up with a plan, but of course, they maintained confidentiality.
Let me tell you, getting that assignment was such a flex.
Flex? I've heard flexible, but how a flex can be an assignment here?
Arey, no. He meant he was so proud, like an achievement.
Didn't know the word proud was such a struggle and flex was common.
No cap. We worked so hard, you're definitely gonna love it.
वेट श्रुति, अरे गेम खेलते हैं क्या? मजा आ रहा है। अरे केतकी, नो कैप मतलब आई शपथ जो आप बोलते हैं वही ना? या भार्गव? Doesn't it mean to be honest? Am I right?
Yes, Shalini, you're bang on.
अरे सर या मैडम ने डायरेक्ट नाम.
Arey, we all have good first names. They can address us with our first name.
Since when?
अरे ठीक है अभी से यार.
So, besties,
Best friends? कब से ऐसे ही कुछ बोल देते हैं यार.
अरे इनका लैंग्वेज ही इतना कठिन है, पता नहीं प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे होगा.
so we crunching the data from our research. We did all the on-ground interviews, the talks, and the final dump is here. Let me simplify it. Our final plan includes on-ground events, social media marketing, traditional media slots. The numbers were very, very conservative, and we were asked to be prudent and work on a budget as small as possible. So, the final number is rupees 15 crores. What?
And Abhinav, that's a conservative and small budget.
Malika, we haven't spent that much across products in a year.
ये सब एक्सपेरिमेंट जरूरी है क्या? मल्लिका भी नहीं.
Okay, friends, so Shruti, Bhargav and Arvind, our final budget for this project will be 50 crores.
बोला था ना इतना कंजर्वेटिव नहीं बनना था.
This is lame, man.
अब तो we can engage Virat SRK and we create it, bro.
50 lakhs. Yes, I said 50 lakhs.
You got it 50 lakhs. Now please get to work. Malika and I have the meeting to attend.
Okay, see you guys.
Bye, see you.
Okay guys,
So, let's
get back to work. Young team, these are your new seats. I'm really looking forward to your plan.
Hey Rahul, do you think this is really fair?
What's not fair?
अभी केक की बता ना, ये सब जरूरी है क्या? हाँ, इनको इतना crestfallen देखते हुए कितना बुरा लग रहा है. I should be.
I can understand what you feel, but believe me, there's a method in this madness. I would suggest, let's see what they come up with.
But they look so dejected and appear so crestfallen. I really feel for them.
Should we do something about it?
No. I urge you not to. Let's see how this goes. Please.
All right.
हट यार, क्या पोपट हुआ यार. हट. 15 सोचा था यार. ग्रैंड प्लान 0.5 निकला बे.
SR के सोचा था यार, अब के भी नहीं होगा.
K? Who's K?
अरे अपना वो करीम भाई.
करीम? कौन है करीम? ये कैसा नाम है?
अरे इंस्टा पे देखा था ना SRK का डुप्लीकेट. अभी वो भी महंगा पड़ेगा यार.
मैं भी करती हूँ फॉलो. छोड़ना, क्या क्या लोकेशन सोचे थे ना? पेरिस, वेनिस, लद्दाख. अभी तो लोनावला भी नसीब में नहीं है यार.
वो छोड़. 15 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, सबके 1 मिलियन से ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स, सबसे बात कर लिया, सबको लाइन अप भी कर दिया. अरे अभी 2 को भी बुलाने का बजट नहीं है यार.
चलो लेट्स गेट टू वर्क.
क्या ही करने वाला है?
पहले तो रेज्यूमे और कवर लेटर को वापस ताजा करना है.
कुछ भी यार, क्या बात कर रहे हैं यार. अबे तू सीरियस है? Come on man, we are in Sarangapani guys. This is our dream company.
हाँ, सारंग पानी सब पानी पानी हो गया यार.
सच में यार, feel so lost.
Hey guys, listen. If these youngsters have come this far and have impressed Malika and Abhinav, I'm sure they must be having something in them. I don't like it that they are looking so lost.
Yes, I have been observing too. What do you think we should do, Alam sir?
I think we should help them, but if we offer them now, they'll resist. थोड़ा रुक के देखते हैं. चलो लंच
चलो
खा लें.
lunch आ गया.
यार
वाओ.
भूख लगा है यार.
अरे इसको टेंशन होता नहीं कि भूख लगता है.
सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है यार.
यार भूख तो मुझे भी लगी है. ठीक से ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किया था.
गणपति के लिए
चल ना, वो मस्त चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट जाके आते हैं. कुणाल ने रिव्यू दिया था ना. चल.
कुणाल. ठीक है. चल जाते हैं.
वैसे भी बैठ के क्या ही करे, चल जाते हैं.
Hey guys, are you going out for lunch?
यस सालम सर.
अरे क्या फाड़ फाड़ के क्यों चलो?
खुद एकदम मस्त है यार. धांसू है.
I know the first week lunch is sponsored by the company, but you guys can join us for lunch today.
सच में?
चलेगा चलेगा.
अबे
आराम से आराम से.
अरे श्रुति चलना, प्रियमा भी इतनी प्यार से बुला रही है यार.
इसको क्या होगा? मैडम इतना रेस्पेक्ट अचानक.
समझने में देरी होगी, प्लीज खाते हैं.
wow, this is so yummy. I've never had something so yummy. Can I take some home?
Me as well. By the way, can I ask which restaurant is this from?
This is Ghar Ka Khana.
Really?
Ah, Prema is a fantastic cook.
Actually, we have a policy in our organization. So the food comes from one of our kitchens every day. That way, we get to taste a variety of food. People can showcase their culinary skills, and all the more, we don't have to keep scrambling around for lunch every day.
This is so cool, Priya madam. We slayed it today.
Can we join this too?
Sure, but not now. I would suggest that you guys settle in first. Focus on the project for now, okay?
अबे यार, एक खाने के बीच में प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में भूल ही गए। श्रुति, अरविंद, चलो back to
Hey
project.
guys, I need that report, okay?
चल यार, केकी, let's get back to number crunching. रिपोर्ट सबमिट करना है।
शालिनी, you know, ऐसा कुछ ख्याल आता है कि काश हम कुछ डेटा डालते और तुरंत ऐसे मैजिक से मार्केटिंग रिपोर्ट ऐसे ही आ जाए, बट नो चांस। सो लेट्स गेट बैक टू वर्क।
Hey, क्यों ना हम हमारा प्रोजेक्ट सॉफ्टवेयर यहाँ इम्प्लीमेंट करके देखें?
नहीं गाइस, ऑलरेडी बैंक बची हुई है। कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ तो नौकरी जाएगी यार।
अरे कुछ नहीं होगा, प्लान एकदम टेस्टेड है, रॉक सॉलिड प्लान है यार। चलना पूछ के देखते हैं। चल चल। केतकी मैम, हमें एक्चुअली आपसे कुछ कहना था।
अरे कहना है क्या, इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, बोल।
वही इम्प्लीमेंट करना था।
So the three of us have worked on this marketing software that can track marketing impacts across various different mediums based on several different factors. हम चाहते हैं कि आप उसे यूज करके देखें।
Software purchases etc. is handled by our IT department. They sit in another office and they have a long drawn procedure and all those things. So it's a long process actually.
नहीं मैम, हमें सिर्फ हेल्प करना है, we're not selling it commercially. आप दोनों की बात सुन के ही आइडिया आया हमें।
Oh, अच्छा। तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखते हैं। Let's give them last quarter data set and see what throws up.
Yeah, sure. What do you guys need?
We need your laptop.
Oh, sure.
Hey, Shalini, this is brilliant.
अरे एकदम शोर।
Wow, it's great, yeah.
Wow, we owe you a treat, yeah. This is going to be so useful for us.
I think more than a treat, we might need your help soon.
I also have a few questions on social media. Can you guys help?
Yeah, sure.
Even I have.
Wow, that's fantastic. Thanks so much.
प्रेमा, हम ये यंग जनरेशन के बारे में क्या सोच रहे थे ना?
एटीट्यूड होगा, डिमांड्स होंगे, अपना स्पेस मांगेंगे और शायद हमारे साथ मेल जोल भी कम होगा।
उनको कितना रेस्पेक्ट है ना, राहुल, केतकी और शालिनी के ऊपर।
कहाँ 15 करोड़ और कहाँ 50 लाख। उनके चेहरे कितने छोटे हो गए थे ना।
इसके बावजूद भी उन्होंने हमारी कितनी मदद की।
इतना ब्रिलियंट सॉफ्टवेयर एंड सोशल मीडिया के लेसन्स, I तो benefited immensely and you know why.
I know. प्रेमा, एक बात बोलूं, मुझे ना थोड़ा डर भी लग रहा था और थोड़ा बुरा भी लग रहा था।
किस बात का?
बुरा इस बात का क्योंकि उनका तैयारी के हिसाब से उनका बजट बहुत कम था, और डर इस बात का कि कहीं वो कंपनी छोड़ के चले न जाए।
हाँ, बुरा तो मुझे भी लगा, लेकिन खुशी इस बात की हुई कि वो हमारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के लिए जल्दी मान गए और सवाल भी नहीं किया।
I know, अब ये सोच रहे होंगे हम किस एक्सपेरिमेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं।
और क्या बजट 50 लाख के अंदर आया? चलो देखते हैं।
चलिए।
बोलो भैया, मर के 15 से सिर्फ 5 करोड़ पे आ गए। अब क्या?
अब प्रेजेंटेशन में क्या बोलेंगे यार?
Hi guys. So how are things and where are we placed now?
We had a great deal, ma'am. But I really don't know how to achieve the intended results for under rupees 5 crores. It's not even under, it's 1/10.
Actually, such big plans and projects need broader participation. Actually, you need some experienced hands as well. You know what I mean?
Absolutely right.
मजाक उड़ाएंगे, कहाँ 15, कहाँ 0.5।
अरे पूछ के देखा कि अज्यूम कर रहे हो?
We strongly feel that.
You have nothing to lose, right? Go and ask for help. And we'll see you guys after our travel. Okay?
Guys, come in. I just heard that you've been talking to Malika that under 5 crores काम नहीं हो रहा है. Can you just explain how you've arrived with these expenses?
So, our most significant cost is the brand ambassador. Then we have on-ground activations, social media marketing, location, promotions. लंबी list है.
Keki, why don't we use that MS experiment?
MS, Malika Sarangapani.
Yeah.
Prema, do you think we should?
Yes, maybe.
Okay. So guys, I really don't know how to help you right away, but I have a lot of data which I need very urgently, but it will require a lot of hard work.
So what she's saying is actually going to help me in my presentation too, okay? But yeah, it is a lot of hard work. It will take me 2 days at least.
That's okay with us, ma'am. But then what do we have to do?
Okay, some rules before you begin. You cannot reveal where you are from. You can just say you are college students on some assignment, alright?
Yeah. The owners of the properties you will be going to cannot know that you are from SPL, okay?
Right.
Guys,
Yeah.
be observant. सब कुछ ध्यान से देखो and capture everything around you. Okay? चलो, all the
Yeah.
best.
Okay, so here are some instructions. Just follow them to the T.
कैसे करेंगे guys?
चलना देखते हैं, देख जाएगा. चल चल.
अरे ज्वाइन करके कुछ ही दिन हुए, ये सब असाइनमेंट क्यों? बिना SPL का नाम लिए कैसे कर पाएंगे?
अरे ये मलिका एक्सपेरिमेंट है, अच्छा ही होगा.
चलो ये चाय पीते हैं.
चलो चाय पीते हैं.
This cup.
अरे योगेश जी, थैंक यू हमें हेल्प करने के लिए.
अरे बच्चों, तुम लोगों ने तो बड़ी मेहनत की. पूरा दिन दुकान के बाहर खड़े रहना और इतने सारे सवाल करना, इसी को प्रोडक्ट सर्वे कहते हैं ना.
करेक्ट.
लेकिन एक काम तुमने अच्छा किया, SPL के प्रोडक्ट्स को चुना.
आपने ऐसे क्यों कहा कि अच्छा हमने SPL के प्रोडक्ट्स को ही चुना है?
अब बेटा क्या बताऊं, उस कंपनी से नाता ही कुछ ऐसा है. उनके हेडक्वार्टर में जो 5 अद्भुत लोग बैठे हैं ना, बस उन्हीं की वजह से हमारी कंपनी आज इतनी अच्छी चल रही है.
सच में ऐसा क्या कर दिया उन्होंने?
अरे ये पूछो क्या नहीं किया. कोविड के दौरान जब हमारा हाल एकदम बुरा था, उन्होंने मार्जिन्स बढ़ा दिए और पेमेंट टर्म्स जो 15 दिन के थे 6 महीने की कर दिए. 6 महीने. और उनके जो वो कौन, हाँ, राहुल जी और वो केतकी मैडम, शालिनी मैडम, आलम भाई और प्रेमा जी हमसे लगातार संपर्क में रहे. और सिर्फ हमसे ही नहीं, सारी दुकान वालों से. और यही नहीं, उन्होंने हमें इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन भी दिया. इंटरेस्ट फ्री. और कहा जब भी हालात सुधर जाएंगे मार्जिन के साथ लोन एडजस्ट कर देंगे. आज कल के जमाने में इतना सब कुछ कौन करता है?
सुना है उनका कोई नया प्रोडक्ट आने वाला है मार्केट में. आप इंटरेस्टेड हो?
अरे वाह, खूब खबर रखते हो. इसके बारे में तो बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं. कोई खास पहचान है क्या?
नहीं, वो उनके CEO हमारे कॉलेज आई थी, उन्होंने इन्फॉर्मली बताया, इसके लिए आपको पूछा था.
वैसे SPL का कोई भी नया प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आए, हम तो जी जान से लग जाते हैं बढ़ावा करने के लिए. हम ही नहीं, सारी दुकान वाले, क्योंकि SPL है ही कंपनी ऐसी.
यदि हम कोई भी प्रमोशन करना चाहे, इन स्टोर, शेल्फ स्पेस, कुछ भी.
अरे बेटा, वो जो भी मांगते हैं ना, हम उससे कई ज्यादा करते हैं. ये पैसों की बात नहीं है. उनके प्रोडक्ट्स के मार्जिन से हमारा धंधा तो खूब चल जाता है. अरे ये क्या, तुम्हें भी नाटक में इंटरेस्ट है? ये नाटक तो मैं जरूर देखूंगा. इसमें मेरा फेवरेट एक्टर है.
फेवरेट एक्टर? कौन फेवरेट एक्टर?
अरे वो आपके SPL में जो आलम भाई है ना, वही. उनका नाटक की दुनिया में बहुत बड़ा नाम है. कई बॉलीवुड स्टार उन्हें अपना गुरु मानते हैं.
ये बात है, इसमें तो लिखा है स्टार अट्रैक्शन एक्टर उत्तम सरदेसाई. इतने बड़े स्टार, उनको पहचानते हैं?
अरे उन्हीं का तो छोकरा है. देखा आलम भाई ने उसे किस तरह ट्रेन किया है. आज कितना बड़ा स्टार है बॉलीवुड में.
You mean उत्तम सरदेसाई, एक्टर उत्तम सरदेसाई।
अरे वही उत्तम सरदेसाई, इनके कई नाटकों में छोटे छोटे रोल करने आ जाता है, वो भी बिल्कुल मुफ्त।
मुफ्त?
अरे वो आलम भाई की इतनी इज्जत करता है। अच्छा चलो बच्चों, मुझे जाना है, फिर मिलते हैं।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That's interest-free loans, man. It's so good. They're giving interest-free loans. Yes.
एक्टर उत्तम सरदेसाई।
That's so good. We didn't know relationship could work wonders. All the stores that he visited across the city, he praised about the company and all of you.
We had a large sum march for in-store marketing and margin negotiations. Can you help us obtain some of this for free for a limited period? It can really bring down our cost.
Now you're talking. We can make you avail of the same benefit. We get it all the time.
Our retail stores and wholesalers are the backbone of SPL. They helped us grow.
If we need to improve the cash flow, just a call, and most people are ready to pay well before the payment date.
Anand sir,
Yeah.
we discovered that you're a theatre personality, and that you're a famous one.
Yeah. Whom did you meet, Yomesh?
Yeah, and he was singing praises of you. Believe you know actor Uttam Sardesai closely.
Uttam Sardesai. He's done wonders in Hollywood.
So do you think we can have him as our brand ambassador?
Mr. Bhandari, can we come in?
I'm glad you guys came on time. Who's Arvind among you?
Me.
Ideally, don't enter anyone doing surveys. But you are different. You thought out more about us, researched well, gave our statistics, and some good answers to all my questions. So, how can I help you?
Sir, most of your billboards have SPL products. Why so?
कुछ अलग रिश्ता है यार. I could not build this company without SPL's help. Rahul sir, Malika ma'am gave me interest-free loan. Interest-free. And today also they give me the rate I asked for. They be the best offer. मैं भी मदद करता हूँ, हर कैंपेन में फ्री स्पेस देता हूँ. वो लेते नहीं उन लोग, बोलते रहते हैं फिर बाद में ले लेंगे. ऐसा रिश्ता है हमारा.
Mr. Bhandari, कितना इन्वेंटरी फ्री में दे सकते हो?
अरे ये तो कॉन्फिडेंशियल है यार.
Once Prema mentioned that she wanted some ideas on how to promote a cooking channel.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
No, Rahul, you can't reveal that, please.
No Prema, they should know. अपना भी कोई अलग अंदाज है. So actually that channel is not Prema's friends. It's actually her own channel. It has more than 100,000 followers. Once when she was cooking, her son shot a video of her. That video then became viral online, and since then we've been encouraging Prema to pursue her passions.
Wow, really?
Wow, that's so good. So much to learn from you all. Rahul sir, our last big cost, I think, is the location. Anything you could help us with so that the cost is taken care of?
Yeah, actually you should try Nirvana in Panvel. I know the owners there, I'll speak to them. Additionally, you should also try the Bird group of educational institutes. So you could do your test marketing and promotions there. And maybe even use some of their student ambassadors who can help you target to the right audience. So are we done here? I forgot. There's Keki and Shalini. So Keki here is an avid biker, and in her biking group, she has some of India's leading financiers and marketers. So you can use some of her connects too. And Shalini, she's a leading designer. She supplies to various retail outlets. So she has some good contacts too. So make the most of it. Oh, the boss is come.
So guys, you found a way to the budget. It was a bit too much.
Rahul told me you guys have been doing a fair bit of running around. So what's your rework budget?
So, our total rework budget is just 37 lakhs.
Wow! Amazing.
But how?
सारे आइटम्स काट दिए होंगे और क्या?
Oh, we got more than we could ever imagine. But all of that at only 37 lakhs.
We didn't know we could leverage so much on the goodwill that SPL has built for over the years. We couldn't have asked for a better induction and experience from this company.
I'm so happy we hired the right type of people. And it's so nice to see all of you working together. Didn't I tell you this, Abhinav?
Now work together and make Globe a big success.
Okay, I have some good news. I just checked with Malika. The 13 lakhs that you guys have saved, whenever Glow Up becomes a big success that we know it will, we can go on an offsite, and that offsite's going to be in Singapore!
Prema, what a trip to Singapore, yeah. I really enjoyed.
बहुत मजा आया. I hope you all enjoyed this little play. We would wish to thank the Neelkanth Gardens Cultural Committee for allowing us to stage this play. In order of appearance, I am Priya Shivram and I played the role of Prema Krishnan, the head of finance.
I am Ramesh Narayan, play the role of Alam Khan, head of production and logistics.
The role of Ketki Mishra, the head of marketing, was played by Padma Subramaniam.
Sheetal Suresh, play the role of Shalini Singh, the head of sales.
The dual roles of Rahul Banerjee, the COO of SPL, and Yomesh, the store owner, was played by Manoj Badrinarayan.
Sukanya Manoj, play the role of Malika Sarangapani, the CEO of SPL.
The roles of Abhinav and the chairman of SPL and Bandari, the billboard owner, was played by Subri Subramanian.
Athar as Arvind Jairam.
Shashank Shankar as Bhargav Rathod.
Apurva as Shruti.
We would like to thank Apurva for managing all the messages, the posters, the teasers and all the photography.
We would like to thank Priya Shivram for giving her place for our rehearsals and good snacks also. And last but not the least, the captain of our ship. The play is written and directed by Mr. Suresh Ramakrishnan. Please give a big applause. Suresh. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खौस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है